Should we do today? Let's build the fishing dock. I'm the Bearded Eagle, and today, let's build a little fishing dock on Eagle Pond, Eagle Lake, and see how it goes. We've had some pallet wood sitting around. It's not getting any younger, so let's put it to use. You'll notice I'm recording this intro video at the end of the video because apparently I didn't press record or something. Anyway, see you later. I think I've got the measurements down. I think I'm ready to start cutting, screwing, and testing. First thing we're going to do is notch out the main two vertical supports. Close enough. Pull it down just a little bit. And tighten that in right there. And that way we don't go too deep on our cuts. It always starts with a drawing. So here's what I drew. Speaking of which, I don't know how to do this. So let's figure this out as we go. So since these pallets are like 5 million pounds, I didn't even try to carry it over. Pulled it over with the lawnmower. At this point, I really had no idea what I was gonna do. I just knew that I needed the things in the cart. So I brought them all down there and got everything close and just kind of looked at it for a while, and I visualized, you know, I wanted to split the pond with the rope that kind of feeds the fountain out. So I was visualizing this dock kind of going out where the rope and the electrical cord goes out to the fountain, and then, you know, two people could be out there. You're on this side, I'm on this side. You could do the same thing on the other side. Anyway. Here we go. So that looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Thanks for sticking with me this long. Well, that's the trouble with trying to make things with what you have around the house, is you run out of things. So today's the next day. Yesterday was earlier in the video. Ran out of lag bolts. Went and got some more. So I'm thinking we go ahead and finish this thing. What do you think? I think so. So, nice beautiful day. I think it's about 44, 45 degrees. The sooner we have the fishing dock in the water, the sooner we can fish off of it. Life is full of challenges and obstacles, but it's how we face them that defines who we are. Sometimes it can feel like we're given a pile of lemons and nothing else, but it's in those moments that we can choose to make lemonade. Every obstacle is an opportunity to grow and learn. Every challenge is a chance to become stronger and more resilient. So when life hands you lemons, don't give up. Instead, take that challenge head on. Turn it into something sweet. Remember, it's not about the cards that we're dealt, but how we play our hand. You've got this. Well, it's about what it looked like in my head. Now I'm going to flip it over and see where it'll fit. And then it's just about putting the rest of the deck boards on the top, which are take-off 2x4s from another one of these 10-foot pallets. Interestingly, when I moved into the house just 2 years ago, the water was up past this electrical post here. So I'm putting it here thinking, if the water rises back up to where it was, this will be dry-ish. And then I ended up moving it. Those will just sit there and collect juice and then show us kind of where the end of the dock is. Lunch break time. And I think we're gonna have a golden retriever tested out soon, very soon. Hi. What's up? Oh, you're not gonna get on? Are you gonna get on the dock? Well, check it out. Up. Come on. There you go. Since I have this 1x1 or 2x2 or whatever it is, I'm gonna fill in some of these gaps. Using materials that I found at the house. It looks a lot better. It gets me out on the pond and nice level spot to fish. I'm pretty happy about it. Anyway, we've got some detail to do on it. You know, that can wait. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Bearded Eagle out.